The all-new BMW R1200 GS is equipped for riding challenges on every terrain and is built specifically for those who want to enjoy their vehicle to its true potential. The Enduro variant of the R1200 GS offers riders a more off-road orientated specification, presenting rider with a range of robust options and equipment as standard. The R1200 GS Enduro Edition is host to a range of features including daytime running lights, Enduro, automatic stability control, cruise control, handguards, pannier fastenings as standard. These can also be combined with extensive range of additional off-road accessories to enhance your riding experience. For more information on the R1200 GS or to book a test ride, contact Douglas Park Motorrad today.